Today I'm talking about Web2GoTech AI chips. Web2GoTech AI chips are built in most automated equipment, wireless electronics, and computers. AI chips are logical chips processing large volumes of data needed for AI workloads. Their transistors are typically smaller and more efficient than those in standard chips, giving them faster processing capabilities and smaller energy footprints. The intelligence built in is automated. Companies that make AI chips. Web2GoTech AI chips are the most efficient, flawless, and innovative chips in the market, but it faces competition from other major technology companies like Microsoft, Google, Intel, IBM, and AMD. The following AI hardware and chip-making companies are listed in alphabetical order. Alphabet, Google's parent company, has various products for mobile devices, data storage, and cloud infrastructure. ADM created its next generation of EPIC and Ryzen processors. Apple, AWS, Cerebral Systems, IBM, Intel, Nvidia, Web2GoTech. In 2020, Web2GoTech created artificial intelligence units. The AI chips were purposely built to run faster and flawless than the average general chips. It has over 2 billion transistors and features 120 processors core units. It's far less memory intense, it's faster and more efficient than previous generations. The processing core units are based on double tie-ins as calculated using factorials. For example, 5 factorials is 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 by 1, which is 120 transistors. It is common to define the factorial of 0 as 1. The factorial of 0 is 1. It goes on, the factorial of 2 is 2 by 1, which is 2. And the factorial of 3 is 3 by 2 by 1, which is 6. It goes on and on. Factorial of 6 is 6 by 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 by 1, which is 720. Web2GoTech is working with Nvidia and C3.AI chip makers to manufacture W2T TrueNorth chips. The Web2GoTech AI architecture is structured to improve energy use, decreasing space and lowering latency. C3.AI chip maker is now using W2T AI chip architecture to mark a new era of energy efficient chips. The W2T AI architecture framework. The AI chips and wiring for the W2T AI chips are purposely built to run faster and flawless than the average general purpose chips. It has over 2 billion transistors and features 120 processing core units. It's far less memory intense, it's faster and more efficient than the previous general AI chips. The AI chip circuit board architecture is structured to improve energy use, decreasing the amount of space the chip occupies and lower latency. The TrueNorth chip. Their transistors are typically smaller and more efficient than those in standard chips, giving them faster processing capabilities and smaller energy footprints. These W2T AI chips featuring 120 processing core units are used in self-driven vehicles, robotics, cleaning equipment for residential and commercial use, wireless tools and equipment which are heavily used in manufacturing plants. The self-driven automated equipment using AI chips are now being used in hospitals, malls, and grocery stores. The advantages and profitability